Hi, I'm Dr. Jameson. I'm a middle school teacher in Escambia County, Florida. However, the advice that I have for you today is for parents of middle schoolers, and it also can be applied in other situations. The theme today is academic independence. Many students are coming to school who are not prepared in the area of this academic independence. Therefore, my advice for parents is one, a seesaw example. When the child is first born, at 0% their responsibility and 100% parents. When elementary school, it should be 25 for the students and 75 for the parents. Middle school should be 50-50. High school, 75 for the student, 25 for the parent, and then on off to college should be 100% of the student. Some of the areas of academic independence involved include the areas of work habits. Students need to develop a really good work ethic, and the way that can happen is with parents not doing for the student, but having the student look and see what is being done and then see if they can apply it themselves. This includes getting their book bags ready, getting their folders ready, making sure their papers are headed properly, in addition to becoming more academically responsible in the classroom and at home. Another area that can also be included is developing the initiative, because so many students are still waiting for others to tell them what to do and when to do. But they need to develop that self-direction and the initiative to be able to be a self-starter in this 21st century. 21st century learners also need to start learning how to apply the skills that they have learned and not just memorize for a test. And therefore, if you can question the students at home in order to determine are they fully prepared to answer questions on the test, write full sentences, be able to explain, then that will be a good first starter. Another area that needs to be included are their academic skills. Their reading skills, spelling skills, writing skills, with composition, with grammar, all of that needs to be checked in addition to their mathematical computation skills and word problem solving skills. Their science and social studies knowledge also needs to be another area that needs to be fully developed, because so many students are not aware of their geographical surroundings and their global connections. And therefore at home with geography, they can practice their continents, they can practice their states, knowing where places are located. With science, they could learn about the scientific method, learn about the different areas in science, such as geology, in addition to environmental science, physical science, biological sciences, and in math, being able to write out their answers as far as how do I solve the problem, being able to explain their problem-solving process, being able to check their accuracy in their answers for computations and word problems, and then in language arts, being able to develop their vocabulary skills, in addition to their comprehension skills, and be able to fully explain how did they come upon an answer. Can they cite the evidence from a text? All of these areas can definitely be done and be completed at a competency level, because students need to realize the difference between a novice level and being proficient and being an expert. So parents out there, please, please start asking your students to develop these skills, and you can be their first teacher at home by expecting them to do so.